10 long, 10 long, 10 strong. Life me a pray, see. Hey, you can't find anything at all from your seek it while you practice. Make sure you preach it now. Hang your hat where you can't reach it.
Welcome everyone.
Turn left on Avon Road.
Back to
Turn right on Mohegan Road.
back to Yard Motor. Yep. So today, some things you wanna really need to know. This video mainly for the new bikers then. Also for some bikers where wanna really know riding and changing gears without using a clutch. Enough man ride bike and they don't know how to do that. So I mean, yeah man, so this video is for you guys. So I mean, it's very important for you to know how to change gear without using clutch, because you'll be riding and your clutch cable cut off and you don't know what to do. So I mean, so it's very important for you to learn how to operate a motorcycle without using a clutch. Yep, trust me, that will be helpful one day. Because when a clutch cable cut off, when you're there miles from house, couple of 100 miles from your house or something like that, even round town ride, whatever do, or somebody will come put it in a truck or something. No, all you need to do is make sure the bike is neutral, push off the bike and then you put it in one gear, you know, and then you change the gear while you go, the tracker while you go, you see what I mean? And you get you home, easy. So it's very important to learn that simple little trick there, you know? Yeah man. And the next thing you need to have like a tool kit underneath the bike seat at all time. Trust me. So just in case any mechanical failure, you don't know what to do. That's the next thing, you have to know what to do actually. So for me, I'm gonna tell you that you don't really need to get familiar with a motorcycle, not just riding, but some simple things you really need to know, you know, while you own a motorcycle. So I mean, because them things are really helpful when you're not riding and you know, something happen, a mechanical failure. One of the cars, somebody will come put it in a truck. No. If you cut a fuse, you're not supposed to know, you guys supposed to know where the fuse box is located on the motorcycle. So that's one of the main things you need to find out. The location of the fuse box, very important. See what I mean? Yeah, because you cut the main fuse on the motorcycle, you don't know what to do, you know? So once you know where it's located, you're good. Yeah man, so we really need to know that. So the toolkit under the bike seat supposed to have in some like a 10 spanner. Make sure you have a 10 spanner, a 12 spanner, some Allen keys, and a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So I mean, very important, and some tie strap. Or something will just break off and you don't have nothing to fix it. You have to tie strap it up. Strap it up to get home, you know? So it's very important to have them little things there. Those small things underneath the bike seat, you know, the tool bag. So I mean, you know what it is like, you know? The bike stop on me a road, you see me? Yeah, man. Just a little example, the idea, leave me house, good. Enter the highway now. Start the ride. The bike that shut down for me. Like in 4th gear. When they pull over and look. When they pull over actually, stop and check it out. Start the bike, it start. Put it in gear, it shut off. So right away, I know it's at the stand switch. And my bike have a stand switch. I don't know if all of the bike them have stand switch on it, but you know, one of the screws fall out, you know, out of the stand switch. Yeah, man. So right away, I have to tie strap it up and to get to me, you know. Yeah, man. But that's what I'm telling you, it's really important to have them stuff there on the bike at all time. You know, next thing what I need to have on the bike too, in the toolkit, is like you're gonna ride a tubeless bike, you need a thing where we use the quick patch, the plug. We call it plug. You know, if you pick up a nail, let us plug it. You know, and try and you know, see if we can get to a gas station, get some more air inside of the bike or something like that, you know. Yeah, so them things are important to have on the bike at all times. So I mean, yeah, man. And the next thing I really need to know, operating, when I ride a motorcycle, if the wheel them get flat, it is very dangerous like that, you see me? But one of the next skill what I need to know is how to ride within a tire flat, especially the back wheel, the rear wheel, you see me? You can't really ride with the front wheel flat, no way you can do that, very difficult, see what I mean? But if the rear wheel flat or the back wheel flat, all you need to do is just jump up on the tank. When I ride a sports bike, I think mainly most of the bike then you can do that. Just jump up on the tank, you take a little time and see if you can reach to a gas station, and you should be good. See what I mean? So that's what I'm telling you, it's important to have the plug tool on the bike seat. Yeah, man. Plug it if you're going to pick up a nail or something. So I mean, the next thing we need to tell them about too, like when I see people are crowd, don't try to be like I'm the Superman. So I mean, just calm down, relax, ride normal like when you ride, and you're good. A lot of people when them see, a lot of bike actually when them see crowd, that's when them feel like, oh, I'm a Superman, I'm a big rider, you see what I mean? You just start learning how to ride. That's where most of the time the bike feel you in front of people, a lot of people actually, you see what I mean? So try and avoid them things there. Next thing, operating a motorcycle while you're hungry. To me it's very dangerous. And while you think about something where you constantly think about it, it's very dangerous. See me? And we actually been through that already. Not really riding hungry, but there was a case where I went somewhere and I was thinking about too much. I was thinking about something too much, and I wasn't focusing on what, and then I focused for one another, you see me? So I mean, they actually run across a red light, you see me? Straight through a red light. I mean, when I went across the red light, they actually noticed, yo, shit, just right through a red light star. Was really, on that day, we can't forget that day, trust me. I will never forget that day. So that's one of my advice to you. Just ride with a clear mind, just focus on all I do, on our ride. You see me? You know, one of the main thing that man. Clear mind and just focus. don't try to overdo it, you see me? Don't try to overdo it. Don't pass the limit when you can ride. See me? Don't be like a superman where you know you have certain limit where you can ride and you try to push it. Yeah, someday I will pass a limit there. But you just take practice, a lot of years, a lot of time on the bike. You see me? Now for me, I ride motorcycle actually right now every day to work. So any little thing when I'm on my motorcycle, I know what's wrong with it or how the motorcycle is supposed to feel. You see me? Yeah man, I think that I believe that when you ride a motorcycle every day, you're more of the angle operate the motorcycle, you get more familiar with the motorcycle. Because if you ride this every weekend or something like that, sometimes, yeah, it'll come back to you. But not all the time right away. It's like you just not really start learning to ride again, but you're not really too familiar with the motorcycle like that. See what I mean? So when you ride every day for me, it's very good. Can I prove that a lot of time when I go out, me ride every day, especially when I was in Jamaica. I operate a motorcycle every day. So when I go out on weekends, like the guys them that just ride on the weekend, them are the one who always in an accident. Always in an accident, you see me? Yeah man, I meet up in some traffic, so I'm really gonna end this little video right now, so I mean, so you know what I say man, just ride good, you see me? And be safe on the road, just wear on the gears and be safe out there, you know? Yeah man, peace and love man. Yeah, checking out, you see me?